The seventh main now. Seventh question is, if x plus y is given as 7 by 2 and xy is given as 5 by 2, we are supposed to find the two things here, x minus y value, and second thing is x square minus y square. So as I told you previously, in the previous problems, we have something called as x plus y. If they give, we are supposed to find the opposite x minus y. We are going to apply this formula, that is x plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square plus 4xy. This is the formula I am going to apply today for this problem. So let's begin. We'll square this particular equation, that is x plus y. Square both the sides. So 7 by 2 whole square. So this one I am going to replace with this. It will be x minus y whole square plus 4xy is equal to, I am going to square this. 7 square is 49. 2 square is 4. Right. So now x minus y whole square as it is. We have the xy value which is given as 5 by 2. I am going to replace the xy with 5 by 2 here is equal to 49 by 4. So we here the cancellation happens. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Left with 2 5s are 10. 10 I am going to shift it this side. So what I get is x minus y whole square is equal to 49 by 4 minus 10. So here we can just take the LCM. So LCM will become 4 and here into 1 into 4. 49 minus 10 4s are 40. The answer I get is 49 minus 40 is nothing but is nothing but 9 divided by 4. This is the square value here what we have. We have to just find the value of x minus y. So square root of 9 by 4 will give me plus or minus 9 cube is not 9 square root of 9 is 3, square root of 4 is 2. So this is the final answer. Seventh main, second part. We were supposed to find x square minus y square, whereas x plus y value was given as 7 by 2 and we had found x minus y as 3 upon 2. So x square minus y square formula, this is the identity formula, that is x plus y into x minus y. So we'll just keep this value 7 by 2 into 3 by 2. The answer I get is 7 3s are 21 and 2 2s are 4. This is the final answer. The eighth main. Eighth main, a minus b is given as 0.9. AB value is given as 0.36. Here also we are supposed to find a plus b value and a square minus b square. So we are going to apply the same formula like previously. We are going to square this particular equation. A minus b whole square is equal to 0.9 whole square. Square both the sides. And I am going to apply the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab is equal to, what is 0.9 square? It is nothing but 0.81, isn't it? Now a plus b whole square as it is. AB value is being given as 0.36 is equal to 0.81. So 36 into 4. Let's do it. 36 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. And there's a decimal place after the two numbers. So I will keep this as it is. Minus this 1.44 is equal to 0.81. Now I am going to shift it this side. The answer I get is a plus b whole square is equal to 0.81 plus 1.44. So further when we add these two things, 4 plus 1 is 5, 8 plus 4 is 12 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the square value. So further when I take the square root of 2.25, the answer I am going to get is let's do 225 first. 225 square root is nothing but 15, right? So the answer for this is 1.5. Final answer. The second part. We are supposed to find a square minus b square, which is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b value we have found it as 1.5 and a minus b is given as 0.9. Let's multiply here. 15 into 9 will give me 5 nines are 45. 9 plus 4 is 13. So answer is 135. 135, there are two decimal places. The answer will be 1.35. This is the ninth question. They have given the value of a minus b and a plus b. We're supposed to find a square plus b square and ab. So when you come across such cases, you are supposed to first find this a minus b whole square, square both the sides of this equation and this equation. So let's start squaring the first equation. Here we have a minus b whole square is equal to 4 square, that is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 16. So let's consider this as an equation number 1. So next is I'm going to square this equation, that is a plus b whole square is equal to 6 square. Right? So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 36. Let's consider this as an equation 2. So we will further subtract 2 from 1. Or you can even do 1 from 2. So that is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square plus 2ab is equal to 1 from 2 is equal to 36 minus 16 is nothing but 20, right? So a square, b square cancelled here. So we get 4ab is equal to 20, whereas ab we get it as 5, right? Or you can just 20 by 4 is nothing but 4 ones are 4 5s are 20. So we have got the value of ab. Let's input in this first equation. So a square plus b square minus ab value is 5 is equal to 16, isn't it? So now further when we solve this, a square plus b square minus 10 is equal to 16. So the answer for a square plus b square is nothing but, this will go this side, it will become 16 plus 10. The answer is 26. 10th main now. 10th main is if a plus 1 by a is given as 6, a is not equal to 0, find a minus 1 by a. This is the first part. Second part is a square minus 1 by a square. So we are going to apply the same formula. If we know a plus b and we are supposed to find the a minus b, so we have to square this. Square this, that is a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 6 square. Right? So what is this when we expand, when we have opposite sign, we are supposed to use it. I get it as a minus 1 by a whole square minus 4 times a into 1 by a is equal to 36. That is, we will use this formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Here I keep plus. So now a minus 1 by a whole square we don't know, we'll just keep it as it is. Now here a gets cancelled, only 4 remains, 36 here. So a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to, if it goes this side, it will be 36 minus 4 is equal to 32. This is the square value. So if we keep just a minus 1 by a, square root of 32 will give the answer plus or minus. So square root of 32 can be written as in the square 16 into 2, right? So further can be written as 16, 4 comes outside, 4 square root 2. This is the final answer. But we have a second part to this. I'll just show you. Second part is a square minus 1 by a square, which is nothing but a plus 1 by a. into a minus 1 by a. So a plus 1 by a is 6. A minus 1 by a was 4 root 2. Isn't it? So 6 4s are 24. Root 2 is the answer for this.